In this video, we are going to solve RLC circuit with complete response, and we are going to know a real application. For this case, we have a switch that is activated at times less than 0 and is deactivated at times greater than 0. We also have a 1 resistor, a 0.25 capacitor, a 1 coil, and source for this bowl. The first thing we will do is evaluate the circuit in t less than 0 to find the initial condition of the circuit. In this case, the coil becomes a short and the capacitor an open circuit. We find the voltage in the capacitor and the current in the inductor. After finding the initial condition, we evaluate the circuit for t greater than 0. For this case, we take into account the inductor and the capacitor. As it is a totally series circuit, the current between the components is the same. Two equations for the circuit are present, and we propose the direct method to find the differential equation. We replace the voltage in the input and the current in the capacitor in terms of the capacitor voltage. We find the differential equation and replace the derivatives as s to have the constant of the quadratic equation. We solve the quadratic equation and obtain the constant S1 and S2 to know that the type of circuit we are working on is an overdamped circuit. We have a Bs of type sin 2t. Therefore, we explain our forced response BCF like this. We replace the forced response and the whole different equation and find the constant B1 and B2. At this point, we can separate the sin and the cos, and we find the constants. Then the forced response of our circuit is 4 cos of 2t. To find the complete response of the circuit, we need to add the natural response to the forced response. As we know it is an overdamped circuit, the variable of the natural response is given by the equation. To find the variables in equation, we replace t for 0 and we have the first equation. We derive the complete answers and replace t for 0. A new now appears bc of 0, but it can be replaced with the first equation of the exercise. We return to the equation evaluate at 0 and find the second equation. We have two equations with two unknowns. We solve them and find our constants. We rewrite the general equation and end exercise by finding Bc of t. The type switched convert boost is a booster circuit with a determinate input voltage, this converter has the ability to raise the voltage for various needs. The main characteristic for this circuit is that regardless of the input voltage and the load on the output, this circuit is capable of maintaining this output voltage with an inductor and capacitor and resistances and a quick communication between t less than 0 and t greater than 0, we will be able to raise the voltage at the output.